For many men, those natural morning erections begin to fade after 50, and with them goes energy, confidence, and a quiet sense of masculinity. But the truth is, your body is still capable of strong, reliable mornings if you give it the right support. And sometimes the answer is as simple as adding the right natural powders to your nightly routine. I am Dr. Charlotte Hayes, and today I want to share with you 3 natural powders that you can take before bed to help fuel testosterone, boost circulation, and wake up with stronger, more reliable morning erections. These powders are safe, natural, and easy to add to your nightly routine. Stay with me until the end because I will explain how they work together and how to take them for the best results. Before we dive into the powders, let us talk about why morning erections are so important. They are more than just a sign of desire. They are a reflection of your body's health. Strong morning erections show that your blood vessels are flexible, your circulation is strong, and your testosterone is active. When they begin to weaken, it is often an early warning sign that something in your system, whether hormones, blood flow, or recovery, is not where it should be. The good news is, you can often restore this natural signal by giving your body the nutrients it has been missing, and that is where these powerful powders come in. The first powder I want to share with you is beetroot powder. Beets may look like a humble root vegetable, but they are one of the richest natural sources of dietary nitrates. Once inside your body, these nitrates are converted into nitric oxide, and nitric oxide is the very compound that relaxes and widens your blood vessels. When blood vessels are open and flexible, blood flows more freely, oxygen delivery improves, and circulation reaches every part of the body. Without nitric oxide, achieving firmness is nearly impossible, no matter how much desire you may feel. By taking beetroot powder in the evening, you are essentially priming your body for better blood flow throughout the night. This nighttime circulation support matters because your body uses those hours of rest to repair tissues, rebalance hormones, and prepare for the next day. When blood flow is smooth and steady, your body can deliver oxygen and nutrients more effectively, not only to your heart and muscles, but also to your pelvic region, where erections depend on strong circulation. Many men who use beetroot powder consistently notice that their erections become stronger, more frequent, and easier to maintain. Some even find that their energy levels and stamina throughout the day improve because their blood vessels are functioning more efficiently. The good news is that beetroot powder is very easy to use. You can stir a teaspoon into a glass of water, blend it into a smoothie, or even mix it with a warm herbal tea before bed. Its earthy taste can take some getting used to, but pairing it with lemon juice or a small amount of honey can make it much more enjoyable. The key is consistency, making beetroot powder part of your nightly routine. Just 1 teaspoon before bed can help prime your body for healthier circulation and more dependable blood flow by morning. The second powder is maca root powder. This remarkable root grows high in the Andes Mountains, where the air is thin, the soil is rich, and the people who live there have used it for centuries as a natural energizer and fertility booster. Traditionally, maca was valued for its ability to enhance stamina, improve mood, and support vitality in both men and women. Today, modern research has confirmed many of these traditional uses, showing that maca can help support hormone balance, reduce stress, and increase sexual desire. Now here's the interesting part. While maca does not directly raise testosterone levels the way some people believe, it helps the body use hormones more effectively. It improves the balance between testosterone and estrogen, and it supports the systems that regulate reproductive function. This means that instead of flooding your body with hormones, it helps optimize what you already produce. The result for many men is stronger performance, more frequent desire, and better morning responses. Maca also has a powerful effect on energy and endurance. Many men who use it consistently describe feeling not only more interested in intimacy, but also more capable when the moment comes. It helps reduce fatigue, sharpen focus, and improve stamina. Taken before bed, maca can calm stress hormones like cortisol, which are known to interfere with testosterone. Lowering cortisol at night allows the body to slip into deeper, more restorative rest. And that matters because testosterone is produced during deep sleep. When you sleep well, you give your body the chance to restore hormone balance more efficiently. You can stir a teaspoon into warm milk, blend it into an herbal tea, or add it to a nighttime smoothie. Its flavor is slightly nutty and malty, which many men find pleasant when mixed with honey or cinnamon. Over time, maca nourishes the body, lowers stress, and makes erections not only stronger, but also more dependable. The third powder I recommend is ashwagandha powder. Ashwagandha is an adaptogenic herb, meaning it helps your body adapt to stress. And stress is one of the biggest enemies of strong erections because it raises cortisol, the hormone that directly interferes with testosterone. High cortisol at night means lower testosterone in the morning. Ashwagandha helps reduce cortisol, calm the nervous system, and promote deeper, more restorative sleep. At the same time, it has been shown to support healthy testosterone levels, muscle strength, and vitality. For men over 50, this combination, lower stress and stronger hormones, can be exactly what the body needs to restore morning wood. You can take ashwagandha powder by stirring it into warm milk or a calming tea before bed. It has a slightly earthy taste, but blending it with honey or cinnamon makes it much more enjoyable. With regular use, many men notice not only stronger erections, but also more energy, better mood, and improved recovery. Now let me bring this all together. Beetroot powder fuels nitric oxide and circulation. Maca root powder enhances hormone balance and desire. Ashwagandha powder lowers stress, supports testosterone, and improves sleep. Each one works in a slightly different way, but together they create a powerful foundation for better blood flow, healthier hormones, and stronger morning erections. The beauty of these powders is their simplicity. They are natural, easy to find, and simple to prepare. Adding them to your nightly routine does not require drastic changes, just a few small steps that over time can completely transform the way your mornings feel. So here is my advice. If you are a man over 50 and you want to bring back stronger mornings, start by giving your body what it needs. Add beetroot powder for circulation, maca root powder for stamina and balance, and ashwagandha powder for stress and testosterone support. Take them consistently before bed, paired with good sleep, hydration, and a balanced lifestyle, and your body will respond. I am Dr. Charlotte Hayes, and I want to thank you for joining me today. If you found this video helpful, subscribe to the channel for more clear, practical guidance on men's health, prostate care, and natural vitality after 50. Remember, your best mornings are not behind you. They can return when you give your body the right support.